for digital marketing, it's you who comes into my mind. Great, Abhishek, तुम्हारे बहुत fan हो गए हैं हमारे पास अब.
Thank you so much.
I would like to tell all the students that, I came in 2018, there was a company that approached me that they need expert students in digital marketing. And I had only one student in my complete MBA, the girl who has done 6 days, workshop on digital marketing. I insisted that girl that you should go and join. And she agreed to me. She went there, she joined that organization, but she came back on the second day. She said, I am not enjoying there. I again did a lot of counseling to that girl. That, see, if you join there, you just do internship. After that, you start your third semester. We have no plans. You can, if you don't want to continue working there, just do your internship and come back. The girl agreed what I said. She joined that company back, and today she's a top performing employee of the company. So she's working with her own company, the company that has been providing all the softwares to us, and she's so happy. And I'm regularly getting information and requirements for digital marketing. That very day I decided and discussed with sir a lot that how should we go ahead. Met so many people, but ultimately we were very happy after we received rank keywords, quotations, syllabus, and they were agreed to change what we wanted. And honestly, this time I don't know students have, how regressively they have gone through last year. They all were present here. We were getting a regular feedback, and I think the day we had a valedictory session, 200 students were present on the stage. That was really commendable, sir. And students' feedback regarding his teaching, his training, and how he's taking every minute detail into, practice. That was wonderful. And Abhishek, that is your dedication, even if we don't talk for complete 1 year, but when it comes to student exposure for digital marketing, it's you who comes into my mind. Thank you so much for giving them a training. I am very sure they must have learned a great deal.
Diksha has written, thank you, sir. Sir, such an amazing training. We learned many things. We learned social media power. Bharti has written, we are all thankful for bringing this workshop to us. Aman Arora has written, it was very helpful and we learned a lot, ma'am. And sir's way of teaching is so good.
More testimonials have come for you. It is one of the best experience. Thanking you, sir, and the faculty for conducting that. And I hope so more courses are like this experience. So, yeah, sure. Great to know. And I think let's all clap for students first that they've done wonderfully good.